Hi, in this video we'll go over the system monitoring feature, a hydraulic layer that gives growers a clear overview of their irrigation infrastructure performance. Well pumps, booster pumps, ponds, fertigation tanks, injectors, flow meters, filters and valves. The system monitoring covers every component and helps you make sure water and fertilizers are being delivered as planned. Let's see how it works in the web app. On the vertical bar, click on the hydraulic icon to open the default map view where every component's location and status are displayed. Hovering on a component gives additional information. In this example, we can see the pond level, the filter's pressure before and after, and the booster pump flow rate. The gray plots indicate that irrigation is currently off, while the blue ones with the drop icon indicate active irrigation. Clicking on a component opens its card where you can see historical data. Here we can see the valve's daily, weekly or monthly pressure values. Switching to the diagram view is another simple way to detect issues and better understand the system's performance. From the water source and up to the mainline, you can view each component's status, data and alerts, and deep dive into its history and graph by clicking on it. In this example, the booster pump has high flow alert. Clicking on it opens the history card where we can toggle between daily, weekly, and monthly view. The daily volume consumption values are calculated as well. Growers can also track their fertigation through different time periods. Here, the monthly tank level is displayed. By hovering on the bars below, you can view the daily volume consumption of the tank. The sharp spikes in the graph reveals when the tank was filled. Now let's go over the system monitoring on the mobile app, which offers a simple interface to put you on top of your infrastructure. Click on the icon on the vertical bar to open the hydraulic layer. Zoom in to view the components card and click on the left and right arrows to view other components. You can also click on the list icon, at the bottom right corner, to get a clear display of all the components, including their status, real-time readings and alerts. That's it. You're good to grow. For more videos, please visit us at www.phytech.com.